Hello students, welcome to Science Surfers. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is, why does the weight of an object reduce to 1/6 to its weight on the earth when it is taken to the moon? किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को जब हम अर्थ से मून पर लेके जाते हैं तो उसके वेट में रिडक्शन हो जाती है. हाउ मच? इट इज 1/6 of its weight on the earth. Now let us try to find why does it happen. What is weight? According to the definition, weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का अर्थ पर जो हमारा वेट है, it is the measure of the gravitation force of the earth on that object, which can be calculated by a formula, that is F is equal to gmm by r square, right? So by using this formula we can calculate the force of gravitation of the earth as well as of the moon. Now here we have a table in which mass and radius of the earth and moon are shown. So by putting these values in this formula, we can calculate the force of gravitation on an object on the earth as well as on the moon. First, we'll find the force on the earth. That is, this force of gravitation will give the weight of that object. So to find the weight of an object on the earth, we will write Gm. M here will be the mass of the earth and small m will be the mass of the object and radius of the earth square. Okay, so we'll put these values here. We can get We is equal to C. G, the value of G always remains constant, so we'll write G here. Mass of the earth is written as 5.98 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, M also remain constant, so we'll write m here because mass of the object does not change when it is taken to the moon. By radius of the earth, now radius of the earth is 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. Okay, so by putting these values, the value of weight on the earth comes out to be 1.474 into 10 to the power 11 G ऐसे लिख देंगे हम लोग और ये M भी आ गया हमारा ऐसे. Okay, so this is the weight of the object on the earth. Now we'll try to find the weight of the object on the moon. So by putting values in this formula, we'll write G. G देखिए constant है तो moon पर भी इसकी value same रहेगी. Mass of the moon is different into mass of the object will also remain same there and radius of the moon, okay, then it's square. So we'll put these values G into M. M mass of the moon, that is 7.36 into 10 to the power 22 into M can be written in same way by radius of the moon, that is 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 meter square. Okay, the weight on the moon is equal to 2.431 into 10 to the power 10 gm. Okay, so by comparing the weight of the object on the moon and weight of the object on the earth, we will get the approximate value 0.165 or approximately 1/6. That means weight of the object on the moon will become 1/6 of its weight on the earth. We have another method also to compare the weight of an object on the moon and the earth. Weight of an object can be calculated multiplying mass and acceleration due to gravity. Okay, and the mass of an object remains constant whether it is on the earth or on the moon, but the value of G varies when it is taken from earth to the moon. So by comparing the mass and the radius of earth and moon, we can find the value of this G on the surface of the moon. So mass of the moon is equal to m. Okay, whereas mass of the earth is approximately 100 times the mass of the moon. Similarly, the radius of the moon may be taken as r, and the radius of the earth is approximately equal to 4 times that the radius of the moon. So by putting this value in expression for acceleration due to gravity, that is g is equal to gm by r square. So to calculate the value of g on the moon, we will put the value of mass of the moon and radius of the moon. So it is equal to gm by r square. Okay. Now we'll calculate the value of g on the earth. That is equal to gm on the earth and the radius of the earth square. So that comes out to be 100 m by 4r square. That is equal to 100 gm by 16r square. This is equation 2. So by comparing equation 1 and 2, we will get gm into 16r square by r square into 100 gm. So they will get cancelled. So it will be approximately equal to 1 by 6. So by cross multiplying, we can say that value of g on the moon will be equal to 1 by 6 to the value of g on the earth. So the weight is mg. So the weight of the object on the earth will be equal to mg, but on the moon it will be equal to 1 by 6 to the weight of the object on the earth. That is 1 by 6 mg.